Dear parents, welcome again to the DPS family. This year, we were hoping the session to begin with regular school, but unfortunately, the second wave of COVID has brought us back into the online mode of teaching. One of the events that is much awaited by the students and the parents is the graduation ceremony that the school organizes when students pass from class prep and move into class 1, from class 3 to class 4, class 5 to class 6, and from class 8 to class 9. The purpose is to make the parents and children aware about the changes that happen in the curriculum design, the higher order learning outcome, the instructional process, and the assessment criteria. Unfortunately, because of COVID, we will not be able to have the graduation ceremony in person. However, my staff, with the help of students, will brief you through the online process about all the changes that happen when children move to the higher grade. I congratulate the parents on the success of their wards and request all parents to be equal partners in the learning graph of the children. Thank you for your support and your cooperation.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we, the students of class 3rd and 4th, are here to show you the highlights of last session. At first, I would like to speak on online classes conducted in 2020-21. Due to pandemic, online classes were conducted for the students through Zoom and school ERP system. Online PTM was conducted throughout the session. Videos of prayer, yoga and exercises were shared online with the students. Students submitted their work on school app and remedial classes were provided in the evening.
Finally the session is over and we have achieved one more milestone in our life.
Yes, we are in 4th standard and I already feel grown up and responsible.
As you know, the year gone back was full of worries and hard time. I wish good time ahead.
Oh, don't worry. Let me take you on a journey where you can refresh yourself with good memories of 2020 and 21.
Hey, we already had fun doing craft activities like Rakhi making, Dashera card making, draw the nature, making a pen wheel and many art integrated activities.
These activities were really fun-filled.
We narrated stories and made videos which removed our stage fear.
We did many activities in different subjects. Teacher showed us different videos to keep us engaged in such hard times.
No doubt, it was very tough time, but we really learnt a lot. Working online was a new experience for us.
Throughout the session, students undertake many open exams such as IMO, NSO and IEO.
We also had TUK IAT International Aptitude Test, which was attempted by all the students. Now, over to my friends of class 4.
Dear friends, in class 4, you will have new exciting things like houses.
Houses will become part of your identity in the school, as you will be allotted house which will be yours till your last grade in the school.
These houses will help you to participate in inter-house activities held from time to time.
In class 4, you will have an option between Punjabi and French as third language.
Students who will secure A2 in all subjects and in aggregate will receive Scholar Badge.
Those who are receiving Scholar Badge for consecutively for 3 years will get Scholar Blazer.
Students securing A1 in any of the subjects will get Subject Proficiency Certificate. They will also get certificate for 100% attendance.
Students who excel in co-curricular areas will get honor badges, and yes, you will also get opportunity to be a part of junior council.
So friends, have good beginning and all the best.
Now over to students of class 3 and 4 for a short role play.
Hey, we are in class 4th now.
I am very happy, friends, that we are promoted to class 4th now. But what? Do you know that there are so many things which are going to be changed?
Hey, look there. Students of class 4th. Let's go and talk to them.
Congratulations! You are graduate now. Must be happy.
Yes, we are very happy, but we have to appear in formal exams. Everything will be new.
We can understand your situation, but there is nothing to worry about.
Get upset. Look at this scenario in positive way.
You need not bother about formal exams, as they will be conducted in the similar manner as in class 3rd.
And one more thing.
What? You will be getting houses also. Houses means colorful t-shirts.
Not only colorful t-shirts, house duties too. That will make you more responsible.
You can take part in inter-house competitions also. You are definitely going to enjoy.
Wow, we are very excited! Hooray!
I, Himansh Jain, thank everyone who has taken out time to encourage and motivate us to achieve success in our academics in this pandemic time. I would like to extend my gratitude to our principal, Mr. Jitendra Kumar Saini, for giving us opportunity to share our happiness with you all virtually. Thank you everyone for being there for us at each step of unpredictability.